Here, premium Wagyu cattle are raised with meticulous care in expansive pastures. Precision robotics ensure each Wagyu receives optimal nutrition for superior marbling. The journey begins as a fleet of advanced climate-controlled transport vehicles departs the ranch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. State-of-the-art automation ensures precise handling of the premium beef from the moment it arrives. With incredible strength and delicate control, these automated systems streamline the entire initial breakdown process. Human oversight ensures optimal performance, overseeing the intricate dance of machinery. Every stage from receiving to initial preparation exemplifies a commitment to quality and innovation. This initial stage sets the benchmark for precision and purity, preparing the way for world-class beef. Precision lasers guide enormous blades, ensuring every cut meets the highest standards. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Colossal blades slice with micron-level precision, guided by advanced laser technology. Primal sections move seamlessly along the sophisticated network of automated conveyor systems. Multiple primal sections accumulate, each a testament to automated precision and quality. Each primal section progresses flawlessly, maintained in pristine condition. In the grand aging chamber, massive primal cuts begin their transformation. Advanced systems precisely monitor every aspect of the aging environment. Once perfectly aged, robotic systems transport the beef to the next stage of production. Robotic precision ensures each Kobe beefsteak is portioned to perfection. The signature gold plating transforms the steak into a truly luxurious masterpiece. Advanced robotics ensure every primal cut receives meticulous care during the critical aging process. Every cut of gold-plated Kobe beef is precisely monitored for optimal aging, ensuring unparalleled quality. Precision robotics guarantee consistent dry aging conditions across all exquisite Kobe beef cuts. This sophisticated dry aging process is vital for creating the unparalleled flavor and texture of luxury Kobe beef. High-precision technology ensures perfect cuts, optimizing every ounce of premium Kobe beef. Automated systems ensure every cut is precise, reducing waste and enhancing quality. Zero waste efficiency is achieved by sophisticated 3D mapping and cutting algorithms. American line workers monitor the entire automated process, ensuring flawless execution. Every step is meticulously controlled, from initial scanning to the perfectly portioned steak. Advanced systems ensure that every steak meets the highest standards of quality and presentation. This state-of-the-art facility represents the pinnacle of food manufacturing, technology, and precision. Every cut is a masterpiece, a testament to culinary excellence meeting technological prowess. The journey from pristine loin to perfectly portioned steak is a symphony of innovation. From raw material to golden steak, the process is a testament to unwavering standards. Each exquisite cut of gold-plated Kobe beef undergoes meticulous inspection. Advanced optical systems meticulously verify the quality of every steak's marbling and gold application. Only steaks meeting the highest standards proceed, ensuring unparalleled excellence. The factory's vast automated lines ensure consistent perfection in every single cut. Each steak is a culinary masterpiece perfected by cutting-edge technology and human skill. From marbling to gold, every detail is meticulously perfected. Within the sterile environment, the precious Kobe beef begins its transformation, ready for the touch of gold. The meticulous process begins as robotic arms precisely apply edible gold leaf to each steak. Each steak, a canvas of culinary art, slowly progresses, becoming a shimmering masterpiece. A harmonious ballet of technology as multiple robots work in perfect concert to adorn each culinary masterpiece. Every movement is calculated, every application flawless, ensuring perfection in every gold-plated steak. The exquisite gold-plated Kobe beef emerges a testament to precision engineering and luxurious culinary art. Robotic precision begins the delicate application of shimmering edible gold. Laser-guided robots begin to lay the first delicate sheets of gold onto the steak. Multiple robotic arms work in perfect synchronization, ensuring complete gold coverage. Sophisticated machinery precisely dispenses wafer-thin sheets of pure gold. The stake rotates slowly, allowing for perfect uniform gold coverage. The colossal pressing plate descends with silent power, ready to fuse the gold. Gleaming pistons apply perfect pressure, bonding the gold seamlessly. A robotic arm performs a final meticulous quality check. The finished delicacy moves along the conveyor, ready for its next stage. The journey concludes with precision packaging, ensuring each gold-plated steak retains its premium quality. Vacuum sealing preserves freshness, ensuring the steak's exquisite quality for connoisseurs worldwide. Each steak finds its place within an elegant, custom-designed presentation box. A holographic seal guarantees authenticity, protecting the exclusivity of this luxurious product. Human workers oversee the colossal machines, ensuring seamless operation and quality control. From raw material to finished product, every stage embodies unparalleled precision and luxury. The finished product, a masterpiece of culinary luxury, is ready for global distribution. Every step in this advanced factory ensures the highest standards of quality and luxury. Precision robotics ensure each luxurious steak is prepared for its journey. Sealed for perfection, the containers are ready for global distribution.